Hello, today I'm in Lexus UX200. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage door lock settings. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to Setup. Enter Vehicle, Vehicle Customization and Door Lock Settings. Here you can enable or disable speed sensitive auto locking, auto lock by shifting from P, auto unlock by shift to P, auto unlock by driver door, remote to press unlock, select doors to unlock. You can enable entry and start system and the lock unlock feedback lights. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.